Hello students, today I am going to tell you the story of Indian national movement. Policies of British government turned harsher towards Indians. People of India protest against them. This gave rise to nationwide struggle for freedom, which is known as Indian national movement. A number of thinkers and reformers played a key role in advancing this movement. This includes reformer like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. These reformers brought awareness among the people about their rights and unity among the people. They educate them, they make them empowered about their rights, and it helped them to fight against the evils of the society which was prevailing at that time. They used to spread their views and beliefs by publishing magazines and newspapers in different languages. Formation of Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was started by Allan Octavian Hume in 1885. Allan Octavian Hume. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay. This session was presided by Bomesh Chandra Banerjee. The aim of Indian National Congress was to draw the attention of Britishers towards the difficulties and demands of people of India. This demand was for only the more active role of Indian in the administration of the country. Therefore, the Congress leaders at that time were called moderates. Moderates were Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Nauroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, British remained indifferent to these demands, and these leaders lost their faith in British Raj. Some leaders like Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. They were famously known as Lal Bal and Pat. They put their demands on British for Purna Swaraj, that is complete freedom. These were called extremist leader of Indian National Congress. Tilak's famous slogan was, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." Students, then come Swadeshi Andolan. British tried their best to control this movement. They divided the biggest state of Bengal into East Bengal and West Bengal. Congress leaders asked all the traders and people to boycott the use of all foreign made goods. In some places, people burn bonfires and put all the British clothes and burn it. Many students also participated in this movement. Finally, British had to accept defeat and cancel the partition of Bengal. To calm down the Indian, British allowed to participate few Indians in the election. Meanwhile, First World War began in 1914. British promised greater freedom. On this promise, British Army made Indians to fight for them. Only on this basis, Indian soldiers helped Britishers, but they lost their hopes and they were dashed. Then freedom struggle was given a new direction by Mahatma Gandhi. He was also known as Bapu. His main weapon was non-violence.